Here we go. Right now, your platform sprite moves down, but doesn't loop back up to the top of the screen. You can look at Lesson 20, Level 6 to see an example of a sprite looping around the screen. Oh, cool. Look at that. I always click on these. It's so easy. Which one was this? Side scroller. Oh, yeah. These guys were all looping, right? They went and boom, it loops. So I can just look at that code. Now, instead of the X coordinate, though, I want it to be Y. Okay, that's easy enough. Let's take a peek. Find the code in the comment. Oh, it's going to come back in a second. Here we go. All right. Use the function block to create a loop platforms function at the bottom of your code. Okay, so I'm going to have to create a function here. Down here, I get the big one. It's going to say loop platforms. All right. Now, use the if block inside the function to check whether the platform has gone off the bottom of the screen. So I need an if. All right. What did I name my platforms? That's the question. Platform 1 and platform 2. I also could have called it obstacle 1 or obstacle 2. So I'll say if well, I need a greater than, right? If it's greater than what, 400. So I'm going to get a greater than. So if my platform dot y, that's the y coordinate, is greater than 400, I want my the y to equal 0. And my x will stay the same. I don't even have to mess with my x. Platform 1. And then, now if I do this now, it ain't going to work. It's going to disappear and never come back. And that's because I've made the function, but I never called the function. So it's lingering, but the computer doesn't know to use it. So I'm going to go to my draw loop. And I'm going to grab function, and I'm going to call it with this little one. Loop platforms. Now, I'm not done yet. I'm just checking it. Loop platforms. So now, I made it for one of them. Let's see if one of them works. One of them should loop. Ah, it did. This one's not going to loop, though. It's going to be like, wah, wah. So watch what I do using the magic of cut and paste. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to copy that stuff I just did. Boop, boop, boop. Back to my blocks. And instead of, where's it at? Instead of platform 1, I want platform 2. Because when its y coordinate is 400, I want the y coordinate to reset to 0. So now they both should be looping. There it is. They're both looping now. Ta-da! Let's see if there's anything else I'm supposed to do on this level. Let's see, hint. What the platform.y be? What will it be when the sprite moves out the bottom of the screen? What should platform y be when you put it back at the top of the screen? Yeah. So when the y hits 400, we want to reset to 0. And we got this.